Hey there, it's time for another
Devlog. 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 Devlog.
Hey there, welcome back to another devlog. It's been a while. I have made a number of changes since I last checked in. Not sure if I have mentioned this in the past, but I have decided on the concept for the game I want to make. A video game shop simulator. Think Supermarket Simulator or TCG Card Shop, but with video games. Some exciting news. I have already decided on a name and have a Steam store page. Ham's Game Store Simulator. Please wishlist. As of now, I have a basic interaction system, as well as a little computer to manage the shop and order more items. I still have not reached the gameplay loop. Turns out getting to that point is harder than expected, but I think I should be there soon. I want to eventually add the ability to play each of the games. I think that would be neat for a concept like this. Just little retro-ish games. That's all for now. Check back soon for more updates.